Welcome to the Armatura factory. In 2019, Armatura started the construction of the factory in Thailand. With a total area of 4,000 square meters and a complete supply chain covering finance, sales, orders, procurement, SMT, optics, assembly, delivery, and logistics. Now, we are at the Order Service Center. As the Armatura factory receives the customer's orders, the entire chain from order review to order delivery is carried out in the ERP system. Now, let's go into the International Procurement Center, which provides the Armatura factory a reliable supply of products and guarantee of delivery of the globally mechanized CPU, CMOS, flash, IC chips, TFT screens, adapter power supply, and peripheral accessories. Next, let's enter the production workshop. But before entering, we are required to put on ESD dust caps, dust-proof clothing, and electrostatic shoes. This is our IQC incoming material studio. All raw materials will be inspected in strict accordance with the sampling inspection standards after they are purchased. After passing the test, the qualified materials will be transferred to the warehouse through dust-free transportation. Now, we are at the work center of SMT. First, we need to go through the air shower to remove the dust. This is the SMT high-speed patch production line, from the feeder to the material, and to the IT solution error-proof material system to scan the codes and upload to the system to intelligently ensure the correctness of the material. This is a solder paste detector, which detects solder paste for printed PCBs. After the inspection for qualification, high-speed patching can be performed. Then 3D AOI detection will be configured with high magnification glass inspection to ensure the reliability of the patch quality. Next, we are in front of the production line of the professionally designed biometrics modules, which mainly produces face recognition modules and the fingerprint head modules. The production process includes module debugging, UV curing, focusing, image comparison, analysis, and others. We have also designed a set of biometric module aging test system through independent research and development, which automatically tests images, their clarity, and other functional judgments, and monitors records in real time. To make sure each batch of products is tested by the strict aging system before leaving the factory to guarantee the stability and security of the product quality. We are now at the Assemble Work Center. The workshop's layout and production line design are made with the consultation of experts. We adopt advanced lean design concepts and visions to enable employees to work easily and happily. The Assembly Work Center includes customer demand engineering configuration, material component assembly, first article inspection, FQC inspection, high temperature reliability test, OQC final inspection, perfect production process design, and quality control process to ensure that all the products meet customers' needs. And we are seeing the R&D test laboratory, which is mainly for the new product hardware development, product change reliability verification, reliability test verification before mass production of new products, which include ESD test, leakage, current test, voltage test, power amplification test. New, we are seeing the warehousing, logistics of the finished product. You can see the warehousing products are packed and protected in wooden boxes and are delivered via sea transports. The products are sold in USA, Europe, Dubai, Turkey, Indonesia, Mexico, Panama, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. The Armatura manufacturing is gradually activating the concept of a manned workshop and intelligent manufacturing in the new factory. With systematic and comprehensive planning based on the goals of the various upgrades of product, process, quality delivery, and experience, we are striving to raise the Armatura's global manufacturing service capabilities to the industry-leading level.